PharmD graduates in Kerala urge government to involve them in COVID data studies as epidemiologists. A recently formed association of PharmD graduates in Kerala has written to the state government that the doctoral pharmacy graduates should be considered to be involved in analytical studies of investigation reports of the COVID test and drug analysis in the capacity of epidemiologists as they learn more about epidemiology during their course time. Their knowledge and experience can be used along with other medical professionals to find out how the disease of coronavirus infection occurs in human beings and what kind of symptoms are present in different age groups. In this research study, they will assist medical doctors and scientists to find out how the virus mutates and how does a drug act in the patient's body. In a letter to the Chief Minister of Kerala, marking a copy to the Health Minister also, P.T. Arshad, a PharmD graduate from Malappuram district who did his course in a college in Tamil Nadu, said like the clinical pharmacist post, the post of epidemiologist can also be set aside for doctoral pharmacist. PharmDs know more about the subject epidemiology and with their involvement in the subject as a discipline of pharmacoepidemiology has evolved in the medical and pharmaceutical field. In the present scenario of COVID pandemic, these pharmacoepidemiologists can work along with the research team led by the doctors. Arshad said that the government of Kerala has invited applications for epidemiologists to be assigned in different areas of research studies, but the eligibility criteria for candidates require were MBBS, BHMS, BAMS and BDS. He said, on the behalf of all PharmDs in the state, he has made the demand to the government requesting for his favor to take the doctoral pharmacy holders as eligible candidates for epidemiologists. They can also be appointed as clinical pharmacists in the research wing to take the pharmacy study forward. When contacted, Dr. V. Kanagasabai, former Dean of the Madras Medical College and ex-DME in the Tamil Nadu, said PharmD graduates are properly trained in pharmacy professionals who are capable for doing epidemiological studies with the support of medical professionals. Their knowledge pertaining to the areas such as adverse drug events, drug utilization patterns, drug efficacy, safety of medication and actions of drug in human bodies will help the research team for a good study result. Dr. Kanagasabai said along with a pharmacy professional nurses and other healthcare workers can also be involved to understand more about the COVID impacts and implications of different medications. Since different types of drug are trying out to treat and cure COVID-19 patients, a study of their use and efficacy in different persons, especially in people of different age groups, has to be conducted and it will help for the contamination of a contagion in future. In the research study, the role of pharmacoepidemiology is significant, so the management of analytical studies should use the potential of PharmD graduates in the scientific examination of the test report, Dr. Kanagasabai told. To the question, the medical expert said the study should focus on the drug is effective for COVID management, which drug can reduce the symptoms of pneumonia and which drug brings down the oxygen requirement. They must also study what drug helped the patient for reducing hospital stay and what were the drugs useful for reducing complications of COVID-19. As far as the quality of drug is concerned, the research team must concentrate on finding out how long one drug was taken to reduce the symptoms and how it's acted in different people. Dr. Kanagasabai further commented that a multi-center study is required to understand the various aspects of COVID symptoms and treatments, so different state governments should come forward to undertake such a study. Thank you. Please do subscribe our channel for more videos.